So this is my lemon and coconut recipe for rice cakes. Sometimes I put chia seeds in there, but I didn't today. Really quick and easy way to, I guess, make your rice cakes into the right shape is to use a Ziploc bag. These ones are actually compostable, so they are not going to be causing extra rubbish, which is fantastic. When you get the texture right, your rice will be staying in clumps on the spoon. It's not going to fall apart. So thinking sushi rice, you want to ensure that your rice isn't too wet, because if your rice is too wet, you will end up with rice cakes that don't stay solid and they just fall apart. So once you've got all your rice in your bag like this, what you can do, you then basically just sort of squish it until you get it into an oblong, square, flat sort of shape. Flatten it until it's kind of about an inch thick. When it's in a bag like this, it will actually kind of shrink wrap and make the perfect sort of shape to cut them up, ready to go. These are going to go in the fridge, and then once they're cooled and are solid, we'll cut them up into pieces and wrap them.